You do not need more tools. You need the right few that move the needle. Today, we rank 5 creator tool categories so you edit faster, sound better, and publish with confidence. S tier, audio cleanup. Audio is the first impression. If your voice is noisy, thin, or full of room echo, people leave in 10 seconds. Modern cleanup can remove hum, tame reverb, match loudness, and fix plosives with one pass. Look for 3 things. A voice model that preserves tone, not a radio filter that makes you sound metallic. A learn or adapt mode that samples a few seconds of noise from your room. And loudness targets for platforms, so you stop guessing. Strength, instant professionalism. Trade-off, push too hard and you get artifacts. Always A/B test the processed track against the raw for 5 seconds before you commit. Also S tier, captioners. Captions are not optional. They boost retention, searchability, and accessibility. The best captioners do word-level timing, speaker detection, and automatic line breaks that respect reading speed. They export burned-in or separate files and let you style fonts and placement inside safe title margins. Bonus points for glossary support so names and jargon are right. Strength, higher watch time, and better comprehension on mute. Trade-off, auto-punctuation can misfire. Do one human skim for names, dates, and punchlines. A tier, script assistants. Think of these as structured brainstorming with receipts. They help with outlines, hook options, and clarifying your angle. The right pattern is simple. You give your premise, audience, constraints, and samples of your voice. You ask for 3 approaches, not 30, and you keep the one that unlocks the flow. Strength, speed to first draft, and better structure. Trade-off, generic tone if you copy-paste. Fix it by reading out loud and replacing bland verbs with concrete ones. Keep your own stories and specifics. That is what makes viewers stay. Also A tier, thumbnail AIs. Thumbnails drive clicks, but many AI generators still make uncanny hands or noisy layouts. Use them as ideation and layout engines, not final art. The best systems give you rule-based composition guides, fast background removal, face enhancement, and color separation that pops at small sizes. They also output safe zones for mobile. Strength, rapid A/B variants, and quick text lockups. Trade-off, taste. The last 10% is human. Keep a brand kit with 2 typefaces, 3 colors, and a set of subject cutouts you trust. You will move twice as fast. B tier, B-roll generators. Auto B-roll is getting better, but it is still hit or miss for brand cohesion. Great when you need abstract motion, textures, data motion graphics, or quick cutaways tied to nouns in your script. Risky for anything literal, like a specific product or place. What to look for? Script-aware search that aligns clips to your beats. Speed ramp and crop controls so clips fit your edit rhythm. And a licensed dashboard that shows where footage came from. Strength fills gaps and saves stock hunting. Trade-off, generic vibe if you do not curate. Build a small library of custom footage and loop it with generated pieces so your channel keeps its look. Here is the whole tier list in one breath. S tier, audio cleanup and captioners. They protect retention and widen reach, period. A tier, script assistants and thumbnail AIs. Use them to think faster and test more than human polish. B tier, B-roll generators. Helpful in bursts, curate hard. How to choose inside each category without getting lost. For audio cleanup, test on your worst room recording, not your best. If it sounds natural there, you are good. For captioners, feed a clip with names, numbers, and jargon. If the tool offers a custom dictionary, use it. For script assistants, give constraints. Target length, audience, tone, and a sample paragraph. For thumbnail AIs, judge at 10% zoom on a phone. If it reads in 1 second, it works. For B-roll generators, ask for a scene list tied to your script timestamps. If it cannot align, skip it. Workflow that wins. Draft your hook and a 3-beat outline with a script assistant. Record clean takes, then run audio cleanup once with conservative settings. Generate captions and fix names in one quick pass. While you edit, cue B-roll suggestions and pick only what adds meaning or rhythm. Ship a thumbnail with 2 high-contrast variants and swap if early CTR is weak. Pattern interrupt. The fastest pipeline is not what feels clever, it is what you can repeat every week without drama. Pitfalls to dodge. Do not let cleanup rewrite your voice. If you sound like a podcast robot, dial it back. Do not let captioners cover your face or important on-screen text. Keep safe margins. Do not let script tools invent facts. Add your sources and examples. Do not let thumbnail generators lure you into clutter. 1 subject, 1 emotion, 2 words max, clear edges. Do not let auto B-roll overwrite pace. Your edit is music. Cut to the beat you feel, not the clip the tool suggests. Budget notes. If you are new, buy a mid-range mic and a simple acoustic treatment before any software subscription. Hardware kills more noise than plugins. Then pick 1 captioner and 1 audio tool you trust. Everything else can be trialed per project until it earns its seat. Quick recap. S tier, audio cleanup and captioners, immediate impact. A tier, script assistants and thumbnail AIs, speed and iteration with human taste on top. B tier, B-roll generators, useful but curate. Your action step today. Audit your last upload. If the first 10 seconds do not sound pro and do not caption clearly, fix those 2 first. Then add 1 A-tier tool to speed your next script or thumbnail. If this helped, subscribe for more creator playbooks that save time and grow your reach.